Barothi wa ngeretha guku bururi-ini Nick Hailey auma icera-ini ria kiwira wabici-ini ya gavana wa kaunti ya Laikipia Nderitu Muriithi. Guku ni kuacagurire kuruta murugamo wa bururi wake iguru ria mihango yao ya guthomithiria mbiraru ciao guku bururi-ini.
Batuk here in Laikipia, it's one of the crown jewels, I think, of the relationship between the UK and this county. Batuk is here to stay. Batuk is looking forward to getting back to training more in this county as well as elsewhere as the issues around that are resolved, and I should say we have very positive discussions with the Kenyan government in Nairobi about making sure that happens quickly.
Barothi uyu ni athiete na mbere kuuga ati ngeretha ni iruteire kunyitirira thirikari ya Laikipia tabarira-ini itiganite cia uthii wa nambere.
This is my first visit since the governor's election, and I was keen, although we've met outside the county, to come and hear directly from the governor and his team about their vision for the development of Laikipia and how the United Kingdom could contribute to that vision.
We welcome British investors here in Laikipia, as well as the presence of Batuk, which is a British Army training here in Kenya. We think they make a positive contribution to the economy.
Makiria mao ngeretha ni iranire guthii na mbere kunyitirira mubango wa Maya uria itanya riaguo ni gutigirira kuri na thayo gatagati ga kaunti cia Laikipia, Baringo, Samburu na Isiolo.
You know that part of the work of Maya is peace building, promoting positive coexistence among the peoples, not just in Laikipia but in the 4 counties.
O mwaka bururi wa ngeretha ni utumaga makiria ma mbutu 6,000 cia mbiraru ciao guka guthomera kambi-ini yao guku bururi-ini. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wangui wa Mwangi.